How to create a gateway menu. First, log in to your community site as an administrator. Gateways are used to create a series of visually appealing links to other pages within the site. They are essentially a web content display that uses a special template. Here is an example of a gateway menu on the home page, where we have used stock photos to create the icons. You can replace these images with your own photos to further customize your site. However, you can also create a gateway menu like this one that has no icons, or like this one that have stock icons already stored on your server. Remember that before you can create a gateway menu, you must first create the pages that will link to through the sitemap. Also, if you plan to add new images to your gateway icons, they must first be uploaded to the content management system under the folder Icons and then Gateway Icons. Make sure the Toggle Edit Controls box in the gray bar at the top of your screen is checked. This will allow you to see your editing tools. Now, to make a gateway, you'll have to add a new web content display to the desired location on the page. To add a web content display, click to open the Add menu in the gray bar at the top of the screen. If you'd like to drag and drop your web content display exactly where you want it on the page, scroll down and select More. In the search box that opens, type in Web Content Display. When you see the application, click on it and drag it to where you want it on the screen. Next, to open the Web Content Editor, click on Add. When the Content Editor opens, click on Advanced. Beneath Template, click Select. A box will pop up. Click OK. Now, a Templates box will pop up. First, click on the drop-down menu under My Places. Select Global. Then click on Search. From the options, click on Gateway Template Mixed Column. You have now changed the web content display template to a gateway. At this point, there is space for only one gateway link, so you must duplicate the gateway depending on how many links you plan to put on the page. Let's say we would like to make 4 links. Use the plus sign button in the right-hand corner to duplicate the gateway. Make sure you duplicate the gateway before you start entering information, because otherwise you will be duplicating the inserted text, which you will then have to delete. Also, use gateway in the name so that you will know it is a gateway and not just a regular web content display. First, name each gateway link. For example, blog. Then, if you would like the gateway links to be displayed side by side instead of one underneath the other, click the corresponding box. Next, click on the drop-down menu under Link to Which Page to select the page within the site you want to link to. In this example, we used blog. Now, to add an icon or other image or logo to the gateway link, click on the Select button. A new screen will pop up with all image folders. Click on Icons, and then Gateway Icons. You will see a list of the icons that are formatted for you to use. Some of them are stock icons, and others can be photos you've uploaded to the content management system for this purpose. When you have found the icon that you would like, click Choose. Now, provide a short summary or description of the link that will appear in the gateway menu. Repeat this process for each link on the gateway. Then, when you are finished, scroll to the bottom and click Publish. Your gateway menu will immediately appear on your page. Notice how, since I didn't fill in the information for the other links, the other gateway links are currently blank. However, the blog link takes you directly to the appropriate page.